I've got it here.
No, we're not playing outside.
Here.
I think it's in my bank.
Ooh, what is it?
What's that?
That's for dinner.
What is it called?
Vegetables.
No, what is it called?
Those are called snap peas.
What is this?
Yummy! That's a zucchini.
What is this?
It's a zucchini.
Ew. What?
Aren't you excited if that's for dinner?
But it's. I don't like these.
How you love it? Take
Eat it.
Try one.
Isn't that a good dinner? You don't look very excited.
What this taste like?
Lift up the plate.
What is this? What does this taste like? What does this taste like? What does this taste like? Why do you say April Fools?
We're